So what's going on now is the breakdowns cable, which is over there. Look, I don't think you guys will be able to see because it's dark, but the cable's hooked onto the truck, and he's going to pull it all the way back to where it came off the embankment of the highway, and they're going to then drive the breakdown around back onto the highway and pull it back up the embankment. So they're busy pulling it. I don't know if you can see, but the truck's slowly creeping backwards.
Meneer, kyk vir my laat hy nie raak daar voor hier.
So we finally got the truck straight, and I'm going back up the embankment. It's now just before 12 o'clock at night. I'm exhausted, I got a huge headache. But it's at least going. Wasn't easy, it's taken a lot of effort and a lot of snap chains, but she's going. Slowly.